Structural mechanics 3. Course structure. Theoretical classes with simple worked examples. Exercise sessions, that is more complex worked examples. Worked solution to previous examples. So why another structural mechanics module? So there were assumption in earlier mechanics module, that is geometric, small deformation. So implication structure will never fail. We will also see examples. In the diagram, you can see an example of structural failure where in Dallas Cowboys practice facility, low winds load caused buckling and ultimate plastic collapse of the structure. This can be found from the official reports of the investigation online. So aim and objective of the module. Understand how structures can fail because of two failure mechanisms. One is buckling. Large displacement caused the structure to lose the load-bearing capacity. Structure leading to structure failure. You can see an example of buckling. The other one is plastic collapse. That is, large stresses cause failure of material points. That is, failure of section of the structure member, therefore leading to loss of load-bearing capacity and collapse of the whole structure, as you can see in the image. We will introduce simple analysis procedures to determine critical and collapse loads. Module content. So part 1, introduction to stability theory. So part 1 will focus on introduction to stability theory, that is total potential energy, energy method for the calculation of equilibrium condition and stability of equilibrium position. Application to simple rigid bar spring model and beam column. Buckling of struts. Part 2, introduction to limit state analysis. The theory of elastoplastic bending, moment redistribution under progressive loading, the bounding theorems of limits analysis, static and kinematic solution approaches, solution of continuous beam by the static method, introduction to mechanism, determination of independent and combined mechanism, use of principle of virtual work to determine collapse loads, problem solution for portal-framed structures and for gable/pitch looped frameworks. Why study stability and plastic limit analysis? Here are some reasons and why you should take this course very seriously. The first reason is stability of structure is essential to avoid buckling. Elastic frame design is conservative and inefficient. Through stability and plastic limit analysis, you can be able to do more efficient design with less material. Knowledge of failure mechanism. You will have knowledge of failure mechanism and structure will never fail. You will know that is because you know how it will fail and you know if and whether it will not fail. It will also enable you to analyze safety of existing structure. The module will provide theoretical background. Here recommended text, that is William and Todd, structure and theory and analysis, that is Macmillan Place 2000, Court et al. 1998, Rod virtual work and energy concept, and Timoshenko theory of elastic stability. So We will start by part 1 in the next class. Thanks.